Dakota Supreme Court upholds new trial for Bismarck woman in infant's death case. Introduction. The North Dakota Supreme Court upheld a district judge's decision to grant a new trial to Cassandra Black Elk, a Bismarck woman who had been sentenced to prison last year in connection with the tragic death of her infant daughter. This development raises questions about legal representation, evidence presentation, and the pursuit of justice. Let's delve into the details of this case and the implications of the court's decision. The case background. Cassandra Black Elk's story revolves around the heartbreaking loss of her 3-week-old baby daughter. Authorities reported that Black Elk had discovered her baby's lifeless body after waking up one morning in February 2022. The circumstances surrounding the infant's death were puzzling, leading to a child neglect charge against Black Elk. She pleaded guilty and was subsequently sentenced to 1.5 years in prison in May 2022. A turn of events. The crux of the matter emerged when Black Elk revealed that her public defender had advised her to plead guilty even before the autopsy results were available. Black Elk's claim centered on the fact that her attorney had recommended the guilty plea without waiting for the autopsy findings. Later, the autopsy results raised doubts about the initial assumption of foul play. The infant's death was categorized as unexplained sudden death, suggesting a natural cause rather than criminal intent. Legal inadequacies. The court's ruling stemmed from the argument that Cassandra Black Elk had received improper legal advice. 4 out of 5 justices agreed with South Central District Judge Daniel Borgen's assessment that Black Elk's attorney had not provided adequate counsel. Justice Lisa Fair McEvers supported the idea of a new trial as well, but for a different reason. She cited the emergence of evidence after Black Elk's guilty plea, which could potentially alter the outcome of the trial. Dissecting the ruling. One notable aspect of the case was the prosecutor's decision not to object to Black Elk's statements during the hearing. This fact played a role in the court's assessment of the case. The justices collectively ruled that Judge Borgen's conclusion about Black Elk's attorney's ineffectiveness was accurate. The court determined that the misinformation provided to Black Elk by her defense counsel had prevented her from making an informed and voluntary plea. Differing opinions. Justice McEvers' perspective, though aligned with the final verdict, diverged on one key point. She expressed skepticism about whether Black Elk had fully demonstrated that her counsel was ineffective. McEvers proposed that the evidence recently brought to light could potentially lead to an acquittal if presented during the new trial. The road ahead. The case of Cassandra Black Elk has generated considerable attention, reflecting broader discussions about the criminal justice system and the role of legal representation. The court's decision to grant a new trial underlines the importance of providing accurate and comprehensive advice to defendants, ensuring that their rights are upheld. Looking ahead, the new trial scheduled to begin on September 26 will likely shed further light on this complex case. As the legal proceedings unfold, society will once again confront questions of justice, evidence, and accountability. The outcome of this trial could potentially reshape perceptions and understanding of the circumstances surrounding this tragic incident. Conclusion. The North Dakota Supreme Court's decision to grant a new trial to Cassandra Black Elk offers a compelling glimpse into the intricacies of the legal system. This case reminds us of the delicate balance between evidence, legal advice, and the pursuit of justice. As the new trial date approaches, all eyes will be on the courtroom, awaiting the resolution of this heart-wrenching saga. In the end, this case serves as a reminder that the pursuit of truth and fairness within the legal framework is an ongoing endeavor that requires careful examination and thoughtful consideration.